Hey everyone, thank you for checking my channel. Thank you for liking this video too. Please subscribe if you're not. But I wanted to mainly address the issue with Microsoft Surface Studio or any other models from Microsoft Surface. The issue with the performance, that is, this laptop was stuck at 6% CPU utilization. I was getting only zero point 0.6 gigahertz of the total 4 gigahertz Core i7 CPU. It was the main issue on online platform as well, and I was debugging and I realized there is a way to address this, and I'll be able to show you today. And please check if you are able to solve the problem with the solution I'm giving. If not, always comment on the video. There'll be one of us or anybody else will be able to help on the issue. But the way I fixed it, I'll tell you. Please go to Device Manager. From Device Manager, look for any drivers are needing updates. If they need updates, just go right click on them and maybe update the driver, disable, enable drivers based on what the issue is. But today, to make sure your CPU utilization is made 100%, make it work properly, I would say come to batteries. And I did here, I disabled the device. What it technically is doing is, if battery is not working properly or you were using a wrong charger, unfortunately Microsoft Surface laptops don't function properly with that. It directly impacts the